Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to link MyGov to ATO in Australia. The ATO, and also known as Australian Taxation Office. To link your MyGov account to the Australian Taxation Office, you need to do the following steps. First, if you do not have an account on MyGov, you can simply click on Create Account, and I have done a video explaining how to do it before. So simply click on Create Account on the top right side, then click on Continue with Email. You will have to provide your email and they'll send you an OTP. You will have to enter it. Then they'll ask for a mobile number. Just type your mobile number. They will send you an OTP. Just fill it in. Then they will ask you a secret question and you should answer here in this box. Then click on Next. Now, after you have logged in into your account, you should now go to Profile, click on it, then go to Linked Services, and here you will find Australian Taxation Office. Just click on the link button beside it, then choose I agree, and now you will find here this page. Just click on Change Sign-in Options, and now we will have to provide the password that you have used in order to sign in into your Gov account. So it is the same password of your MyGov account. After that, it will show you here this page. Just check this on, get a code by SMS. Just toggle this on. Then here, click on continue. And now you will have to provide your personal details, including the name, date of birth, tax file number, address, and so on. Now on the next page, you need to verify your record, but do not verify using any of the options listed here. You should verify using a linking code, which is like an OTP that you can obtain from the ATO customer care. To do this, you need to click on Use a Lincoln Code. You will see a prompt indicating that you need to call the number displayed on the screen to receive a LinkedIn code. So call ATO customer care service and be prepared for a good wait time until you have connected to an agent. And remember, ATO customer care service is available only from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. So make sure to call during these hours, and only the agent will verify your information by asking you some details like your name, date of birth, phone number, TFN, superannuation fund name, and passport. They will then provide you with the linking code to enter in this field. You enter this code here and hit submit. And finally, your MyGov account has been linked to the ATO. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.